Alright everyone, throwing another quick video together for you. I had mentioned that I was looking to build a kayak light. In my last video I showed how I made a PVC track mount. I will go into really quick that after posting to some of my groups a better way of doing this, or a more efficient way, or at least so you don't have to cut the head off to shorten your bolt, I just stacked 2 washers and 2 lock nuts together. I still have the lock nut there, which helps grip down so you can adjust it on the fly, and that, you know, may be a little easier for some people to do. So I have my track mount for my light pole. And we're going to put that up. We're going to put that up right here. Now, I was going to make my light pole out of one of those little LED lights. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube about how to do that using a foggy bottle, or, you know, a piece of a lawn light or something like that. But I went to Walgreens to find a little flashlight, and I found this. This is an Energizer, I think it's called like an emergency light or something. And I knew I could make this work because it's, one, a flashlight, but then 2, it's a 360-degree light. That's what I need. So I picked this up and decided to rethink how I was going to do it, and it became extremely simple. So let me show you. Since I'm using 3/4 inch PVC for my pole, I have a piece of inch PVC here, and you can see that this doesn't fit on the inch. So I heated up this side and I slid it over to where it conformed to the light, and now I have a mount, if you will, for the light. There's this notch here. It sets in, and I'm just gonna run a zip tie through. Okay, I got 2 holes drilled, one here and one right there. So I'm going through that loop there, and now I'm going under. Okay, just like that, and that's going to form a nice tight grab to this piece of PVC and the light. You can see if I put some tension on it and pull it, it doesn't have much anywhere to go. Zip tie that down. Get about as tight as you please. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. And then this inch PVC will fit right over some 3/4 inch PVC. Just like that. Okay, and that will mount right down into my mount, and that gives me my kayak light. So you can see, I believe it's plenty bright enough to meet the recommended requirements for being out on the water at night, and I can always pop that off and use it as a flashlight as well. I'm always more about functionability than aesthetics. If it ain't pretty, but it works really good, then I'm cool with it, man. So that's really it, guys. Piece of inch PVC, heated up, mold it to the light, drill a couple of holes, measure down how far you are into the PVC, drill a hole so it lines up with that little slit that they have in there, and then drill below that, zip tie it down. I mean, it's not coming out at all. It's not even wobbling. So that is my nighttime kayak light, 360 degrees. Let me see what you guys got.